Alright boys, well we're heading to Cody's to the Bird. Apparently there was some type of mishap. I don't know what it was just yet. He told the old lady. She told me we'll just find out when we get there. So we're on the way there. I don't know. But then we also had to figure out why, for some reason, it still won't rev past 2,000 RPM. What it's doing is it's coming up, sounds like it's hitting the chip. Just it's like it's pulling timing. I have no understanding of why. Everything's set in the parameters higher than the 2,000 and it still won't. I thought it was the ignition box to begin with, and come to find out it wasn't, because I sent the MSD box back to Jegs and then pretty quickly they got me another one in. So I was hoping to have this deal ready for Texas 2K, but we're running out of time quickly. So yeah, that's kind of the plan for this evening. If I can't figure it out, I'm gonna have to break down and call in reinforcements, someone that knows a little bit more than me, I guess. I got a buddy that he's got a pretty nasty small tire Malibu, so we'll see what holds there. I sent him a video of what it's doing. He told me a few things to check, so that's what we're gonna do when we get over there after we see what the hell this mishap was. But I'll get with you boys when we get there.
It's not that bad.
So she told me that there was a snafu while you was trying to get ready to go to Muddy Graw. What happened? What happened?
So just rebuilt the top end on my bike. Idle was a little high because had it turned up from the last top end, it was needing more idle to stay running.
Okay.
Well, I stuck it into reverse and no brakes on the bike, so yeah, I couldn't get it to stop and couldn't get it out of reverse in time until right as it fucking hit the front of the Bird.
Oh, God dang.
Not too bad a
Okay,
damage.
look, do I need to just have her hold the camera and we roll it in here in the light to look at it, or is it better for me to look at it in the dark first?
Oh, we can roll it in.
Alright.
It's really not as bad as you would expect.
Okay.
It's fixable.
Oh,
It is fixable.
that's good.
I've already bent the fender back out
Oh,
so the
wow,
hood
great.
doesn't line up.
Yeah, this sounds good. Great. I guess you want to hold this camera while we roll this thing in here? That way we can look at this deal. Good thing it's going on quicker.
Good.
How bad is it? Did you see it pulling in?
Not too bad.
Judging by her face first. Doesn't look too bad.
It could be worse. A lot worse. Because your bumper is flexible, it helped.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, so much.
Just chip the paint.
This is why we can't have nice things, Cody.
Hey, I found your Bondo spot.
Yeah.
I didn't want to do that.
Well, that fucker was.
Thick Bondo.
Yeah, it was already fucked up. I'll just find another fender.
But it really didn't do any damage to the fender besides pop that out. Creased it a little bit right there. And that's what caused that to pop.
Whatever, it could be worse. You could have fucked yourself up on it, so
Yeah.
I'll just get, because that one's got a little bit of rust on it. Right here.
Yeah.
It's actually probably another Bondo spot, to be honest.
Probably.
I'll find 2 new fenders. We'll put some fenders on it, and then
I was just glad that front
Alright,
bumper.
well, I
didn't
guess
get
since
messed
it's
up.
gonna need body work on, I'm gonna get new fenders and shit. Do we keep it maroon, or do I just repaint the whole car? And if you think I should repaint the whole car, what color should we go with? Go black, that's what the car was originally apparently. Go back with the maroon, white, blue, red, whatever.
Could go
Put
white.
Put it down there. But I guess since we're here and now we don't have to worry about paint, let's jerk the hood off this thing, and I'm gonna check some stuff on the distributor real quick, see if we can't figure out why this deal won't rev past 2,000 RPM. That's what it's got. It comes up, sounds like it's pulling timing, like it's hitting the chip, but I don't know, we're gonna find out. But I guess we're gonna jerk the hood off of this. I'll get with y'all in a minute.
Cough. Okay. Crank it. There, Luke. Keep cranking it.
That like it's 180 out.
Well, if it is, that ain't nothing to fucking do that.
Yeah.
I think it is 180 out.
You good? Alright, so it's another day. We pulled the cam out the other day, because come to find out, I guess when I was putting this deal together, I was a little distracted, had other shit going on at the same time, and so I had the cam not even anywhere remotely in the right place. I don't understand how this thing was running. So I'm thinking that might have been why it was only hitting 2 grand, so I don't know, we're gonna find out, because we moved it and got everything lined up where it's supposed to be, and we just stabbed a fresh set of plugs in it. It's coughing like it's 180 out, so while we're doing this filming, got Cody over here doing what Cody does, and he's gonna pick the distributor up, turn it back 180 degrees, and we're gonna see if it still busts off and rack out like it's supposed to. But so we're gonna do that, and we'll get back with y'all as soon as we go to starting this deal back up.
In a demon.
Yeah. Good for a full startup. Yeah, that was definitely more than 2,000.
Sounded pretty good.
Yeah, it did. That was a real smooth fucking idle there.
Yeah,
I think y'all got it.
I think this motherfucker finally gonna do something. We might make Texas 2K, Cody.
Nothing's loose. Everything's tight. They're gonna slide side to side, being oily.
Yeah.
Up and down is the thing.
Oh,
But I didn't hear anything clacking.
No, I mean if it does, whatever. We'll fucking readjust it.
Readjust it.
I called John today.
Alright, so I was sitting here editing a video, and well, I realized that it kind of cuts off rather abruptly, so I figured I'd give a little context to why we made that one leg down the road, and that was it. Well, one, we were having issues out of the ignition box. Something in the wiring was not happy and wouldn't let it rev up. It was like it was hitting the limiter when you're trying to do a burnout. Wouldn't do it. So we hit it on cold tires. It spun a little bit, whatever. It was just on motor. It doesn't make a whole lot of power on motor. It's just a 355 with some shitty heads and not the most ideal cam in the world. But it should do pretty okay, I'm thinking, once we get it on the bottle. But anyway, back to what happened is the neighbor lady come out, called the police, so we just put her up. You know, don't want to cause no issues with the neighbors. And yeah, so that was pretty much the end of that. But I do have the car over at my buddy Tyler's house now. We're working through a few more bugs with the whole ignition system, and we changed the intake out. You'll see that in the next video. But yeah, I really do appreciate y'all for watching these. If you have made it this far, you're a trooper, because I have no clue what I'm doing with this deal. But yeah, no, I appreciate it. You know, if you would share these deals with your friends and family, and we'll try and get this deal to grow, and then I'll keep doing more and more and more with these cars. I have started working on the Nova. We'll probably get into that pretty soon. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate y'all.